Air 1 dispatch. We have visual on the subject. He is right at the entrance to Marina Jacks, the circle, Bayfront Drive. He is walking southbound.
Air 1. You can.
Air 1. Anybody, do you see the signal 0 over his shoulder?
Yeah, it's 10-4. It does appear he has a rifle.
Dispatch copies.
42 dispatch.
Network 42.
We're 10-6, 10-74. No need to check on.
42 to Air 1. Do you guys see a fishing pole? Air 1.
That's 10-4. It does appear he has a fishing pole as well.
Did you guys get a call? Is that what the helicopter was for? Okay, I have no ill will or anything. I'm not carrying. I put all my fishing gear and all my stuff away. All right. Yeah. I'm sorry that had to happen.
No, people just, you know.
They see it and
yeah. They, you know.
Yeah, no. And I totally. That's why, like, I was literally walking the whole way. I walked there and I came back and I saw the helicopter. I'm like, I hope that's not for me. Hey, how's it going?
Hey, how are you?
Living the dream, living the dream.
That's right.
Oh, yeah.
Picked the perfect day to be out here.
Oh, it's beautiful. I mean, this weather is just unreal.
Yeah.
I wish it could stay like this year-round here in Florida, you know? Unfortunately, it gets hotter than you know what in the summer.
We're from Cleveland.
Oh, yeah, so...
That's why, you know,
For us, this is paradise.
Oh, yeah, this is... Oh, yeah.
Drop down in there so you can fish from these things easily.
Oh, yeah. No, I remember they were working on this maybe like 8 months ago, 6-8 months ago, and it's nice that they put up this little bit of shade and,
Yeah.
you know?
They really did a good job.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I just wish people could clean up their own mess.
Yeah, right?
You know, it's too hard to walk over to a dumpster that's like right there. But y'all have a great one. Have a happy New Year.
Well, I hope you get some.
Yeah, we'll see. Every now and again I catch snapper here, but we'll see. Every now and again, if I'm lucky.
Yeah.
Sometimes I think this place just gets overfished. You know.
Oh, yeah.
How y'all doing?
Hi, good. Catching a few?
No, everybody else is catching. I'm not catching nothing.
Yeah.
I'm not catching a thing right now. Yeah, it's the way. That's why it's fishing, not catching, right? Yeah. But it's a beautiful day. I mean, I can't. I'll take the weather over catching something right now.
Right.
That's why you go fishing, for the nice weather.
Yeah, exactly. Just to get outside. I'm being cooped up in the house. I'd rather be outside enjoying the life that God gave us.
Exactly.
911, what's the location of the emergency?
We're right in front of Marina Jacks. There's a fellow walking around with looks like an automatic rifle over his shoulder.
All right, sir, and you
I
said
don't
it's
know.
in front of Marina Jacks?
Yeah, he's right in front of Marina Jacks, walking on the walkway. We just finished a run.
All right. And do you know,
He's got a big-
is he on the road itself or in
backpack.
front of the actual
No,
restaurant?
on the sidewalk, just outside before you get in. You know, there's like a walkway in front of the. Yeah.
And what city is this in?
I'm sorry?
What city is this in for verification?
Sarasota.
Okay. And what is your phone number, sir? Okay. And any weapons involved or mentioned? Other than
I'm
what
sorry?
you see, did you actually
No.
see the weapon?
Yeah, he's carrying it over his front. He's got it slung over his front of his backpack.
Okay. Can you tell if he's been drinking or doing drugs?
No, I have no idea.
Okay, that's okay. And can you tell about how old he is?
30s, maybe?
Is
Early
he white, black,
30s.
or Hispanic?
Was he white, black, or Hispanic? Yes. He was dark, kind of mixed Hispanic, black, possibly curly hair.
And could you tell what
And he's
kind
wearing
of...
a camo. He's wearing a camo outfit. And he's carrying a fishing rod also.
Okay. And can you still see him?
We just walked away, but he's just somewhere around right in front of Marina Jacks.
Okay.
He was
And
walking
your name, sir?
slowly.
Okay. And your first name, sir?
So, Joel.
Did you want to meet?
I don't know if he's allowed to carry a rifle or not, but just wanted to. If you see something, say something. They say.
Absolutely. I already have units that are en route out there now. If you can just re-verify the location one more time, it's just for my recorded line.
Right in front of Marina Jacks.
All right.
He
and
may
there
be
are...
a little past. He may be right by the parking lot.
Okay. All right. It looks like I do already have a unit just out there now. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
911, what is the location of the emergency?
I had just called a few minutes ago about a fellow walking around with a automatic rifle in front of Marina Jacks. I reported that about 10 minutes ago. And
Do you know
he's
what,
actually
what address you gave when you reported that?
in front of Marina Jacks. He
Okay.
was walking with a rifle in front of Marina Jacks. He's still there. And he's still there, and he's actually just in the parking lot, past Ringling, where the parking lot ends, and there's a bunch of cars, and he was putting stuff or getting stuff out of a black van.
All right. Out of a black van?
I'm sorry?
You said he was getting stuff or putting stuff in a black van?
And it's some kind of black van with writing on the side. I didn't see what kind it was, like a caravan or something like that. Yeah. But he wasn't going away. He looked like he was putting stuff away or taking stuff out of the van.
All right.
And it's in the parking lot right past Ringling, just where the walkway is in front of the water.
All right. I will update that screen.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Dispatch to 6105, 6104, 1065, 13-person signal 0.
Everyone, we'll be switching over to SPD's channel.
Dispatch to 6105, 6104, 1065, 13-person signal 0. Camouflage outfit with a signal 0 rifle over his shoulder. Also carrying a fishing rod. Jimmy, Marina Jacks, 2 Marina Plaza, Crestview Island Park Drive. The male subject, last seen wearing a camouflage outfit with a signal 0 rifle over his shoulder. Also carrying a fishing rod.
Range 62 to 42 to the A2.
42 units responding to the 13-person Marina Jacks. The 1017.
10-4.
42, you copy? Curly hair.
Air 1, 497,
10-4. I'll head over to that area. 10-4. 10-4.
We have visual on the
42.
2 to the A2.
circle, bayfront drive. He is walking southbound.
10-4, everyone. Advise you see the 42 units responding to the 13-person Marina Jacks. The 1017 is a 30-year-old Hispanic male, curly hair.
42 to 81. You guys will see a fishing post.
Yeah, it's 10-4. It does appear he has a fishing post.
Air 1, we're 97 at 13P at Marina Jacks.
It appears the subject is
10-4.
a green Honda minivan in the southern portion of the parking lot. It's got a kayak on top of it. It looks like he loaded up the rifle and the fishing rod into the green minivan.
10-4. 42 units responding, you copy?
10-4. If he leaves the parking lot, there's no need for us to contact him. I'll be 97 in a couple minutes.
10-4.
Well, he's still walking around the parking lot, but he's still near his vehicle. He may have just been putting away the rifle on the fishing rod.
10-4. Is he closer to the Main Street side or the Ringling side?
If you come in off of Ringling and then go just south, he's
5113 dispatch.
10-4.
5113.
he's now back on the sidewalk.
Be advised, we're going to have both westbound and eastbound of all lanes of Clark shut down momentarily for FPL.
You come to the circle there. He
10-4.
left the main entrance to Bayfront Park, standing where the boats are anchored in by the little beach.
Air 1 dispatch. We have visual on the subject. He is right at the entrance to Marina Jacks, the circle, Bayfront Drive. He is walking southbound.
Air 1. You can.
10-4, 1. Anybody, do you see the signal 0 over his shoulder?
Yeah, it's 10-4. It does appear he has a rifle.
Dispatch copies.
42 dispatch.
Network 42.
We're 10-6, 1074. No need to check on.
42 to Air 1. Do you also see a fishing pole?
Network 1.
That's 10-4. It does appear he has a fishing pole as well.
Dispatch to 6126.
10-4. Thank you.
10-7-4, 10-7.
10-4.
42 dispatch.
6142.
I'll be 10-8.
10-4.
6107, 1097.
10-4, 6107. Dispatch to 6105. Checking status.
10-4, 10-6.
10-4, U97.
10. 6103 radio.
6103.
You bid the incident location to 1040 52nd Street.
Copy.
Close to the door.
10-4, 6114. Dispatch to 6106. E1023 on that. Copy signal 49's on one.
Dispatch 5112, 1074.
10-6.
Cross street at Bayshore Road.
10-4.
There's a garage motion.
6102 radio. 10-8, I'll be 51. Mac 41.
10-4. You need 6 is 94. 10-4, 6106. Can you respond as 94 back out for 4? 1017 still 10-12.
10-4, what you doing?
10-4, thank you.
Dispatch 5101, 1074.
51, 6102.
10-4,
10-4, 6103.
10-4.
Dispatch to 6105, 6108, 1065 at signal 3, zone 1, 22 in progress. Good 8. In the intersection of Royal Palm Drive, Royal Palm Avenue. Verbal complaints following. Still trying to get descriptions.
51.
10-4. 8 through.
Air 1 dispatch. It appears the subject is getting into a green Honda minivan, the southern portion of the parking lot. It's got a kayak on top of it. And it looks like he loaded up the rifle and the fishing rod into the green minivan.
10-4. 42 units responding, you copy?
10-4. If he leaves the parking lot, there's no need for us to contact him. I'll be 97 in a couple minutes.
Yeah, Air 1. He's still walking around the parking lot, but he's still near his vehicle. He may have just been putting away the rifle and the fishing rod.
10-4. Is he closer to the Main Street side or the Ringling side?
If you come in off of Ringling and then go just south, he's just south of Ringling.
10-4.
And just signal 14. He's now back on the sidewalk by the bayfront, walking back towards Marina Jack.
10-4.
Like I said, that guy's been just hovering, chilling out. I'm guessing they got a call and they freaking got out quick. what up, everybody? What up? I was coming back far. Thank you, everybody, for coming in. And then I was literally on my way back to my car, get to my car, and then the helicopter shows up, and I'm like, what the heck is going on? And then these guys showed up. And right now, I'm not openly carrying. But we got 1421. It's going to be interesting trying to get that helicopter cam right there. Like I said, there's a helicopter above, and he was following me for a minute as I was walking. And then I just, smoked a cigarette and sat here. And then these guys showed up, and yeah. Here comes some more. As you can hear, the helicopter went away. We're just going to sit here and see what they want to do. Yeah, everybody, right now I'm out here in Sarasota. And yeah. So far they haven't approached, and there's really nothing they can say at this point because my fishing gear is all put up, and I'm just standing out here with my vest on. And I thank every one of you for being here right now, just in case something does go wrong. Excuse me, ma'am. Did you guys get a call? Is that what the helicopter was for? Okay, I have no ill will or anything. I'm not carrying. I put all my fishing gear and all my stuff away. All right. Yeah. I'm sorry that had to happen. No, people just, they see it and yeah. Yeah, no. And I totally, that's why I was literally walking the whole way. I walked there and I came back and I saw the helicopter. I'm like, I hope that's not for me because I don't want to waste resources.
It's one of those things where, sometimes it could be something that's not going right. And
right.
Going wrong, but, you are in compliance, so there's no reason.
Yeah, I was literally leaving. I was about to get in the car. I'm like, and I'm thinking that something like a boat accident or something happened over here, and I'm like,
no, it's
and he just kept circling around me, and I'm like,
yeah, so
I'm like, maybe that's about me, and I'm like, hey, I've no ill will, no nothing like that. I'm literally out of here, but y'all stay safe. Like I said, I have no ill will. And,
no, it's fine. Yeah, you're good. We
cool.
just
you show up, just make sure.
Yeah, so there's no reason.
Yeah, no worries.
So we just.
All right, well, no worries. I'm truly sorry. I didn't mean for that to happen. I was literally leaving. I was like, all right. Well, y'all have a great one. Thanks. Happy New Year. Thank you. All right, y'all. Well, they did send out the copter for me. But like I said, I was literally on my way home. Or not on my way home. I was just literally on my way out. And yeah, so. But thank you for everybody here freaking joining in. Wait till you see the entire video. So that being said, I'm going to jump out of here and I'm going to move on to location number 2.